The label process is like a journey, and that's why we're taking you on a hike today. As we go up this mountain, we're going to be with you every step of the way. Because this is a journey, we are with you every step of the way. We have an awesome and knowledgeable team at Leapin Lizard, just like my crew with us. So let's get started. As with any journey, there are challenges, like when that ink magically disappears, or when your labels don't adhere and they fall off within a week. The print quality is just not up to par. Or that proof does not actually show up the way your label does. That's just frustrating. We hear your frustrations, and at Leapin Lizard, we are sure-footed in our process. Let me show you. They sent us their artwork, and we got it ready for pre-press. Once artwork is set up, we send it to our printers. We also understand you want your labels as soon as possible, and we want you to have them. But in all journeys, checkpoints are crucial to get the best quality products. Now that we're in our printing phase, we are quality checking to make sure that you have the correct material, it's on the correct size, and the printing is up to our standards. Once we've made sure that your label is printed correctly, it's off to finishing, where we check for the correct lamination and that the cut depth is appropriate. Now your labels are done and ready to rock. We're gonna package them up and ship them out the door. We are so grateful to have been able to work with you on your label process. This is where our journey ends and yours begins.